Hey guys, it's me Bailey, and today I'm going to be doing a super fun, super easy, and super simple gift for Father's Day. You only need 4 things: hole punchers, ribbon, scissors, and these digital downloads. You can find these in the link in the description or at dreamdesignsnow.etsy.com. They say, Super Dad on them. There's 2 for each page, and there's 4 pages. So let's get into it. Hey guys, just finished this 15-minute project. It was super easy. I did little slip knots on the side, just so if I needed the knots to be bigger, I could change it up. So I'm just gonna hang it up right here for now. You can hang it up anywhere in your house that you would like, as long as your dad can see it. So once again, you can get these digital downloads at dreamdesignsnow.etsy.com. Bye guys, and happy Father's Day to all the great dads out there.